ॐ श्री साई नाथाय नमः।
Sairam, the pure devotion is the fundamental knowledge which is needed in the path of attaining Almighty. So, this has been understood by us from various lifestyles and various life incidents from the saints as well as our Guru also. Here I would like to explain a life incident from a great Panduranga devotee, Mataji Sakubai. Sakubai was a great devotee of Lord Panduranga, but she was the wife of a man who is not at all worshipping Panduranga. Her mother-in-law also is not a great worshipper of Panduranga. It so happened after their married life. So she wanted to visit the Panduranga temple in Pandaripuram. But these people were not interested and they were not allowing her for a visit to that Pandaripuram. But she was longing for that trip actually to have a darshan of Panduranga. Whenever she hears the sound of the people, those who are going in procession with Panduranga songs and all, so she used to run to the streets and stay there for some time to listen to their songs and to enjoy them. And she used to forget herself within that beauty of those bhajan songs and forget herself. So due to this habit of her, and she was tortured actually by her mother-in-law, for which her husband also was supporting. So she found no way to reach Pandaripuram to have a darshan, because the workload was so much in her home, so she has to complete every day, even up to the late night, every day. So Panduranga pitied him and he wanted to accept her true devotion. So it so happened, so she became very much interested when a group of people, those who were traveling towards Pandaripuram, somehow she escaped from the home and she joined that group and she was traveling to Pandaripuram and had darshan of Swami over there. So she got joy like anything, because she felt that she got the mukti also. It means the final attainment of birth cycle also after having darshan of Panduranga, and she passed away there itself. But it so happened, Swami, wanted to keep this as a sacred. Swami took the shape of this lady, Sakubai, and he came to his house. He came to her house, and the Lord was doing all the duties of that lady in that home, like cleaning vessels, taking care of the cattle, taking care of her husband, taking care of mother-in-law's job, and so you see, you just understand that how merciful he is, just for the devotion's sake, just for the love's sake, just for the true love, what the Sakubai is having towards the Lord, and see how much pain the Panduranga have taken to comfort her family on behalf of her during the time of her absence in the visit of Panduranga. It's a great instant that it's a great example that every one of us should follow, and we should understand how we should be devoted to our Guru. Sai Ram.
ॐ